Want to make an impressive video of a quote or a scene to promote your products, whatever they are, on social media or even YouTube? Plus, let me show you this awesome website. This wonderful website for today is tile.io typo motion. Here in this box, all you have to do is just insert here your quote or your saying and let the magic happen. For example, if you want to promote something about motivation or inspiration, like t-shirts, some courses, and so on and so forth, so we can pick one of these beautiful quotes, like from this amazing website Operlo. Okay, and now we can pick out one of these awesome quotes, like this one. For example, it's hard to beat a person who never gives up. Okay, and copy and go back to our website for today, and just you can Control V. Perfect. And now just we can separate all these words on some lines, like it's hard to beat, okay, a person who never gives up. Okay, as you see, to make your video consists of some scenes or some slides, and every single slide contains one of these words. Okay, so now click over this one, generate a magic. As you see, it's an impressive video of animated text that attracts attention and grab more scrolling eyes on social media or even YouTube, as you see. And here you can find here some amazing features to change its settings, like background music. So we can change this music to anything else. Okay, and you can change its speed, like make it slower, 10%, 20%, and so on, or you can make it normal or faster as you want. Effect, or the effect of these moving words, like you can make it word jump, as you see, make it float, drop, word fly from left or from right, as you see, or you can make it randomize it, and so on and so forth. Angle, the direction of your words, like left, right, top, bottom, zoom in, zoom out, and so on, like this one. Okay, and the best thing here on this amazing website and this amazing video is that this size, as I said before, here you can promote this video on social media or even YouTube, and even YouTube Shorts and TikTok. So here you'll find different dimensions of social media platforms, and for TikTok and mobile videos. Okay, as you see, so we can take this one. For example, if you want to promote this video on Instagram, so we can select this square dimensions, as you see, or for Pinterest and for Twitter and so on. Okay, perfect. And to make a further customization of your video and to download it to your device, firstly you have to sign up for free from that. Sign up now. Now insert your details, like email, password. So today I would like to use this puzzle email, like this one. Copy and then tile. And now you will find your video with your amazing quote or your amazing saying. As you see, it's hard to beat a person who never gives up. As you see, every single word or individual slide or individual scene. Okay, and here we'll find a lot of settings and features for every single scene. For example, in this gear icon, click over that. Then you can set duration of that specific scene. You can duplicate it or you can delete it. Okay, here you can change some text, like you can change this text color. You can change this motion of this words. Font, you can select any other font, like this one, for example. Okay, background of this word, of this sentence on your slide or your scene. Its size, you can make it smaller or bigger. Alignment. Okay, and you can apply all these effects on all other scenes in your video. Okay, and then you can change your logo, or you can add your logo of your business or your profile. Okay, and you can, if you click again on this background, just you can change background. So we can change it to a photo about motivation or something like that. So we can search for motivation. As you see, so we can select this one, for example. Perfect. And here you can make your background as a color, not as a photo. And now we can apply all these things to all our scenes. So we can click over this one, as you see. And of course you can change this background photo from this amazing feature. You can change this background image from this feature, and so on and so forth. Okay, and now we can preview it. Okay, so let's try to make it a bit slower, so we can make it as you see. And of course you can change its emotion for every single scene, as I said before, but not to elongate more in this video. I have applied all these effects in the first slide on all over scenes. Okay, and now let's go to download this video. Just you can go to this one, save. Okay, and export to MP4. Perfect. As you see, your video is downloaded now onto your device to share it to your social media platform to promote your products, whatever they are, like print on demand products, physical products, affiliate products, and so on. Just you can use this amazing video to grab more attention, to grab more screen eyes to your account and your post based on this visual message and this written message. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.